batteries charged?
Probably. I haven't used it.
Monica!
Hey guys, so for today's behind the scenes, there's a lot going on, and I feel like I always say that, but it's really true. So if you guys missed it last night on my Instagram story, I met up with Nicki Sun, who was one of the other top 50 finalists for the Cancun competition. One of the coolest things about that competition was getting to make some awesome friends and meet people. So we have a really good group chat with a lot of us going on, and to be able to meet up with one in person was a lot of fun, and just meet another host that's kicking butt. So if you don't already, go follow her on social media. I also sent out t-shirts today to people who ordered them, and if you want one and you haven't got one yet, leave me a comment, send me a message, and I will get it to you. I should have all the sizes back in a couple days because I just ordered a whole new batch because we sold out in a week. Woo! I also did something that's really scary for me that I've wanted to do for a while, and that is pitch to networks and production companies. So I sent out my show treatment, my media kits, my sizzle reel, all sorts of stuff like that, and we'll see what happens with that. On that note, I had somebody asking me a lot of questions about starting the show and things like that. So I want to start a whole new series. So if you guys have questions about starting a show, social media, pitching, things like that, please, please, please comment and let me know. And I'm going to start doing some videos based on your questions. So if you have questions, please let me know. And then the last thing, today, my buddy Josh back there, woo-woo, brought me to a park to show me how to use my drone finally. So I'm trying to get ready for the road trip next week and getting all excited. So we're out here at the park so he can show me how to use it. And I brought Millie because she has her Instagram page. So head over and follow her at Flying Millie. And that's it for now. Let's get the drone practice on. I'm droning, everyone! Now to not crash. Aircraft disconnected.
Oh.
Let's try again.
This is going so well.
I will not be interested.
There it goes.
Slowest droner ever.
Oh, look at you making friends.
You're okay. Has yet to go into a tree. What I'm doing.
You've actually gone nowhere.
But I feel safe here. It's going to the tree. It's going to the tree. Apparently, I hit a wrong button, and it was focused on the tree, and it was trying to commit suicide. But luckily, Josh saved it.
Got it.
So we're good.